The serenity of the preserve. The first person in during the snow of 2015. All is quiet. This is the snow out to the first outlook that looks over Pequot Swamp. As you can see, no one has been here yet, but we will change that very shortly. It's very, very lonely and quiet up here. No people, no traffic, no airplanes overhead. Just you and Mother Nature looking down at the swamp, the Pequot Swamp, named after the Pequots who moved up here when the English chased them out in the early 1600s. It's absolutely beautiful. It's probably the prettiest time of year. The fall and the spring are great, but this is incredible. I encourage you to take advantage of it. Fresh tracks. Clearly a very large animal. Going through here you can see deep hoof marks. I would guess a deer, not a bear or a wolf, but a deer. Here is a trail that has been absolutely untouched. We will be the first Homo sapiens in here since the Pequots. This is what they saw, and this is why they came here. It is absolutely incredibly beautiful. This trail is pure and white. No one has been on it. No ski-doos, no people, no nothing except animal tracks. It is incredibly beautiful. I hope you all get a chance to come up here when the snow is still on the ground and enjoy this beautiful gift. Well, we're beginning to lose the sun. We're well into the forest. I think it's time to turn around and go back. As you can see, the tracks of Jean-Claude Killy, who came in here a short while ago. We are going back in his tracks. We don't want to get caught out here in the dark and get lost. I'll have to come up tomorrow and make some more trails. It needs packing. Hope it doesn't rain.